Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use your Afterpay account with Cash App. First, go ahead and open the Cash App on your mobile device. Once you're inside the app, take a look at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the magnifying glass icon. This will take you to the Discover section, where different services and offers are available. At the top of this screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type the word Afterpay. Once you've typed it in, press the search button on your keyboard. If Afterpay appears in the search results or as one of the suggested offers, tap on it. You may see a screen with more details about the service or a button that lets you connect your Afterpay account. Follow the instructions that appear to complete the connection process. If you don't see Afterpay listed in Cash App's Discover section, don't worry. This feature is not yet available for every user. There's another way to link the two services, and it starts from the Afterpay app. Close the Cash App and open the Afterpay app on your phone. On the main screen, locate any order you currently have. Tap on that order to see the full details. Check if Cash App appears as one of the available payment methods. If you see it listed, tap on it. Then, just follow the steps shown to complete your payment using your Cash App balance or linked bank account. Before trying these steps, make sure both the Cash App and Afterpay apps are fully updated. Running the latest version helps ensure that all features work smoothly. Thanks for watching.